Okay, but what if your nails could fight demons and headline a K-pop world tour? This set is giving Huntrix meets Golden meets Rumi, and I was not emotionally prepared for how beautiful it was going to turn out. Hi, I'm Shannon, and welcome to Pop and Polish. So this was my mood board for the nail set. I wanted this nail set to have the vibe of a little bit of Demon Hunter and a little bit of K-pop idol all mixed together. Just like K-pop Demon Hunters. We're starting off with a full blackout nail. This was inspired by Zoe's Kill Saja nails, except I added some liquid chrome to give it a more dramatic effect. And then of course, Kill Saja. The 2-second shot lives rent-free in my head. I thought it was brilliant. This nail was inspired by Rumi's patterns, especially how they looked near the end of the movie when they were all iridescent and glowy. I used a bit of chrome to capture that shift. And the purple base, that's a nod to Rumi's hair, soft but powerful. Okay, but this one is the softest slay. This nail is based on the song Golden. I went with a white chrome base and then added gold flakes to 1/2 and lined it with gold beads down the middle. It felt really clean but bold, kind of like the whole vibe of the song. This nail is like weaponized beauty. For this one, I took inspo from Rumi's sword. I wanted it to carry that iridescent shine that is in the other nails, and I used gold foil to give texture to the bottom of the sword. I felt like the sword really gives the set more of like a badass vibe, not just a pretty look. The thumb is all about Huntrix. I painted the logo on white chrome, again, just tying that white chrome throughout, and made a tiny 3D charm of the Huntrix lightstick. I have to say that the Huntrix lightstick was the thing that I wanted to do most in the nail set, and everything else kind of revolved around it. I'll be honest, it was a little chaotic to make. And it was also really hard to do. I am very new to making 3D charms, so I was really proud of how this turned out. Okay, so to me, this whole set screams Huntrix, screams Golden. If nails could headline Coachella and slay demons at the same time, this would be the look. Let me know which nail was your favorite. I honestly keep changing my mind. If you're into K-pop Demon Hunters or just love cool fandom nail art, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next set. I've got more coming real soon, and also don't forget to turn on notifications. And don't forget to turn on notifications just in case YouTube forgets to let you know. Until next time, keep nailing it.